Vanessa Bryant, wife of Koby Bryant, vacationing on the Caribbean island of Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 7 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Link 7 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. Well, as you know, the wife of former NBA star Koby Bryant is actually in Jamaica. Vanessa Bryant enjoying the warmth of the Caribbean sunshine and the warm camaraderie of the Caribbean people. Vanessa Bryant booked her Jamaican getaway and is actually currently on the island enjoying this time with her family and friends. A number of photos have surfaced online which depicts the time that she's having on the warm Caribbean island of Jamaica. As you know, Koby Bryant passed away tragically just over a year ago, making January his 1-year anniversary since his passing. But the family is just having this wonderful stay away in Jamaica, and I can tell you with those pictures that have surfaced online, it just goes to show that they're having a marvelous time. So Vanessa Bryant booked her Jamaican getaway. It appears to be she was having more than just the sun, sand and sea on her mind. She extended the family into a full vacation mode on Monday when she posted a number of pictures on her Instagram, having the ball of her time in Jamaica. One thing is very clear, that the family is enjoying this spectacular moment in Jamaica, and I can tell you the photos just goes to show you that the time that they're spending at this resort in Hanover is one of the best time of their life. The vacationers are only 2 days in on their Jamaican vacation trip, but they have also provided a list of things to be noted, especially when you're on the Caribbean island, and we're about to provide those with you right now. So here are the things that they said you should consider when you're going on a trip to Jamaica. So right now I'm about to provide you with the list of all these details. So this thing you can go to Jamaica, you do not go after hotel, so that's one of the things they also stated that you have to have a warm t-shirt and a boxer song while listening to Beyonce's song. So these are just some of the things that they stated that I really enjoyed the Jamaica camp, and I can tell you I'm going to say that they're such a wonderful time on the warm Caribbean island of Jamaica, which is so exquisite right across the world. As you know, Jamaica is a premier Caribbean destination, and it's also a destination for the world right now as a top tourism product of the world. And I can tell you it's a very good look for Jamaica and a very good publicity as well for the country. But we'll continue to provide you with any more information to come on this. This has been Links 7 TV, and this is where we're gonna check you out for now. Thanks for watching. Peace out and bless.